Let's go to Ray Collins, live in the newsroom with more on this story. Ray. Good morning. Yeah, it's really amazing, isn't it?
You know, cloning is more frightening than I ever dreamed.
1, 2, 3, go!
It's your wake-up call, wake up. Hey, we'll get you percolated. Rise and shine.
Yeah, all right.
Get what the morning has awaited. Wake up, smell the coffee. Swear the sports traffic of the day. With Sue Serio, Ray Collins, pouring you each day. Get you started on your way. It's your wake-up call, wake up.
Thank you.
Oh, my gosh.
Thank you very much.
Oh, my.
I'm relaxed, man.
Oh, my.
I can rob a bank with this.
That's for bags under your eyes.
That's right. Authorities describe him as 6'2", white, and very relaxed.
What do you think so far of the first 100 days of Congress? I'm going to go long. Penny?
F-I-R-E-U-D, fire up, fire up!
Go. Okay. Oh, look at my ankle. Oh, I'm open. Here's Brad Pitt when he was filming a movie called Seven. Take that down. Come on, get that off the air.
Oh, thank you.
Amazing. I was so inspired by this whole marathon, I decided to jog to work today.
No kidding.
Yeah, I jogged. In fact, the camera caught me arriving in a parking lot.
Spontaneous, I almost
That shows a good idea after all. Yeah. Thanks.
No drinking. We had a self-imposed curfew.
Yeah.
All hookers out of the room by 9 o'clock.
The Bisons called me to have me try out for the team.
Oh,
Just to see if-
you on the bison. This is you.
Ray Collins, one last chance. And there's a long drive, and it's gone. Push. Okay, push. Push. There we go. That's what we want on right there. Thank you. You have any tapes of the conception at all? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Dear Ray,
Oh, that's me.
the warm, stimulating memories of your interesting, enlightening, and even provocative remarks before the members of the Amherst Senior Center Dining Club linger on. Boy, you're going to get a fat head if we keep this up here.
Keep going, please.
Because the force of your personality and the capacity to communicate with people is deserving of a larger audience than this Buffalo region affords you.
Just to prove that I'm indeed really up in the air, you'd expect the cup to drop, but it'll actually fly directly up when I let go, okay?
Yep.
Watch. See? This guy right here, do you see
Okay.
him?
Yeah.
And now compare his hair and his features to...
Carolyn, thank you. And thank you.
Here comes the kid.
Okay, well, you know,
Richard Dawson.
Kevin O'Neill reminding you to have your meteorologist spayed or neutered. So,
Good idea.
there you go. And also, there's the wowie bird. It only mates once every 5 years, but when it does, wowie!
That sounds like you. How come I can't have that one?
Yeah.
Thank you very
well, the
much.
kids at St. Joe's are proud now, let me tell you.
Is that your hand? I'm sorry, that was mine. That was mine. I'm terribly sorry.
And now, the starting lineup for your wake-up show. At left anchor, 6 foot 3 inches from St. Bonaventure University, the dark-haired guy, Ray Collins. The thriller from Marilla, Lisa Scott. The Duke of Doppler, Chuck Gurney. The I'm still lucky I have a job guy, the ignorant... Sorry. Here he is, the Big O, Kevin O'Neill.
Oh, I wish that there were more than 24 hours in a day.
We thought we'd take part in Be Bald and Be Free Day, so let's lose it. Yep.
Yeah, just walked by the window.
Yeah.
Beautiful sunrise.
Really? Should we give people 5 seconds to go look? Okay, go.
Go ahead.
All right.
Nice, isn't it nice?
Nice way to start the day, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Guess what? Chuck Gurney, just when you look.
I thought you said 5 seconds. That seemed more like 3 to me.
He became the first person to travel faster than the speed of
Ding,
sound.
ding, ding, ding.
Yes.
Chuck Yeager.
See,
That
he
is
just
absolutely
answers
correct.
quicker than I do. I take time to process it and think about it. You
Hey.
ding before you even know what the question is.
Ray,
And then this is simple. Just a little note that says, Dear Ray, I would like to please have a picture of you signed. Yours, Gary Sherman.
Oh.
Nice request. And he writes to us from Hinman Avenue.
It's like the next street over.
You know what I'm thinking?
What?
I'm going to go do it right now.
What are you doing?
I've got time, don't I?
We're doing a show right now,
I'll
Ray.
be right back.
It's. Okay. he's gonna... Oh. I mean, you know, being loyal to the fans is one thing.
I hope he's home. Thank goodness.
Hi, is Gary here? Ray Collins from Channel 4.
Oh.
How are you?
Fine.
He asked for a picture.
Oh.
Can you give that to him?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, I'll get back to the show now. Okay, thank you. Nice to see you.
When you wake up is there with you with Ray Collins.
Good morning. Here's what's happened overnight. Indeed, a busy night.
Lisa Scott.
Glad you're with us. Here are your wake-up
The
headlines.
Y Guy Kevin O'Neill.
Hi, we are live on location from the kitchen.
It's gonna be a great day.
Hey, I like those people.
Wake up, 5 to 8 on Channel 4.
See you tomorrow morning.
Right in the middle of everything.
Lisa turned the monitor to QVC, though, halfway through. What did the bartender say to the horse, Kevin?
Why the long face?
Thank you.
There you go. Dad. Good stuff. Ray, you want to finish this joke? Most of these horses are being listed as being in...
stable condition.
There you go.
All right, buddy.
I had the potential. There was a problem with the coach. I wanted my weekends off, for one. And I wanted an unlisted uniform number. I couldn't do...
Okay.
Couldn't do either one. We're here with Jim and Jill Kelly and Hunter.
Suit
You
on.
can't wear green when weather's in things you can do with special effects.
Yes,
there
we've got
they go.
green on.
You want to sing a song together?
No.
California.
Yeah, here I come. Right back where we started from.
Now, folks, live from Hamburg on Camp Road, Kevin O'Neill, the Y Guy.
Oh! It's the Canal Fest tomorrow, celebrating the Ear Canal.
No. It's I think it's the Erie.
Erie Canal. Yeah. That's right. That would be boring.
And it got down to the last inning, and their batter came up, and watch this.
Oh, my gosh.
Went right back to the wall. I thought it was going over.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's right. Wow, you're very smart. You're good with math and with reading. So, you...
I can't even read.
The Y Guy is down the hall at Q102.
Oh! I think I'm a makeup person. Waiting for the bus, and the bus comes, and I get up. I had to sit with the boy, and all the kids on the bus started making fun of me, and they were chanting something. I don't even remember what it was.
Man, what does your therapist say now?
I'm okay. No, thank you.
Hey, also, I have excellent acoustics.
Like a bad pasta bowl. Look at that thing.
I can hear conversations from across the room.
Tyson's got on board, though, and Russell Branyan hit a 2-run homer in the... So instead, Kevin reached out and took our picture, and of course, he cut Chuck out. Is there any way you can send me to see the Backstreet Boys?
We have never done anything like this
No,
before.
we haven't before. So, Sarah, we're going to send you to Backstreet.
Wait a minute.
I had to ask him also about what's going on in Washington, and that's the topic of his segment this weekend on 60 Minutes. And he said, well, I don't know a lot about that kind of thing involving Monica Lewinsky.
Closest I ever came to oral sex was once I went on a ski trip with a bunch of guys and girls, and we all stayed in the same lodge, and by mistake I used the girl's toothbrush. I mean, that's...
You went to kindergarten with Ray Collins. Did you know that? Wow.
Looked exactly the same as he does now.
Really?
Yeah.
Anchor
He
hair?
wore makeup.
Anchor hair.
Anchor hair.
I didn't wear makeup back then, though, right?
He didn't wear makeup. Did he experiment with makeup at all?
Not at that time, no.
He was only
I think
kindergarten.
that started when he started going to St. Joe's.
Careful. The only kindergartner with a suit and tie.
State senators, Kevin. State senators. Ray, do you agree or disagree?
I'll agree.
Yes, it is. Lisa, 1/5 of the world's population lives here. Where is it?
My old college dorm.
No. I'll say.
Surprises all around the place.
Increased security.